Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you 여자 아이들's new comeback song HWAA. Okay, let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you two different parts. One is chorus and second is dance break. Okay, so let's start with chorus. Okay, from here we're gonna start on 4 and that's where 부딪혀야. Okay, so and we go on 4, so it's like a body roll and you're going to roll this is counterclockwise, so we're going to go from, we are starting from the right and then we're going to open out and then we're going to go to the left and then hit this post. If you can see more clearly like this. Okay, so you're going to go counterclockwise and then you go hit. Okay, and then what I would do is that I put my chest in as I do this. So it's and 부딪혀라. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, and then on 7 you're going to put both your hands upwards. So now because the left hand is down, you're gonna put your left hands up. So on 7 you're going to go 7. Yeah, and you're gonna make this it's not even a triangle, it's more like a eye drop shape kind of thing. And what's important about this sign is that I think you need to put your fingers touched. Yeah, and then elbow cross. So if this one is connect and this one is connect, I think that makes the shape. Okay, so let's go from the top of 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then we're going to go fast. And 8. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, you don't have to clap, but I'm just emphasizing that both hands are together. Okay, so and 8. On 1, that's where you see the big chorus. They open their arm and you open your right leg. Boom. Okay. So watch out to this shape. It's really important in 여자 아이들's dance. They make the posture very clear. So you need to make sure from here you're going to go drop to here. And your right hip is going to go this way. Okay, so that is 1. Okay, and 8, 1. And 2, and on 3, you're going to drop 3, and 4, and on 5, you're going to come 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Alright, so let's review that all together from the top till there. Okay, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Go and 7 and 8. Now this time we're going to step our left leg and right leg in a circle like this, and you're going front and back and front and back. So you go boom and okay, and then your hands stay there. This right hand's on your head, and then you're going to roll boom and. Okay, while you are stepping forward, backward. Okay, so 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna grab your hands and then bring back your right leg. And 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so I'll do that hand one more time. 5, 6, and 7, going to bring your right elbow and left elbow. Right elbow and left elbow. Let's practice a few times. Boom, 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 boom. Ta 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 ta. Now with the hands, we're gonna go 5, 6, and 7. You're gonna put down your right leg, and you're gonna step on your right, left. When you do this, boom, boom. Okay, you see what happened? So if you do, when you starting to roll this hand, you have to step, step. Okay, that's the easiest way to make sure that you're not out of balance. So on here, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? Alright. So let's redo that one more time from the top. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Boom, switch, switch, switch. And that's non-stop switching. So right after you step on here, you're going to go doom, doom, doom. Okay? So again, step, doom, doom, doom. And then now you're gonna come up, boom. And then one more time, doom, doom, doom. And then now come up again, doom. And then again, doom, doom. This time only 2 times. And then you have to come up. Okay? So because right here, we are going to go boom, boom, 2 times only. Make sure your left hand is going to go down first, and then bring it up again, okay? And then now you're gonna switch your hands. Right hand's gonna go up, boom, boom. All right? Okay, let's do that part one more time. We have here, doom, doom, 8, doom, 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 switch, doom, 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 switch, doom, doom, 2 times, and hoo, and ka, ka. We're gonna step our right leg open to the front. So now we're gonna step, boom, and step, step. So 2 full steps. So from here, we're going to go right, left, and now we're gonna cover our eye, cover it, and then you're going to go open, open, and now we're just gonna go over our head. So that's the whole chorus. Now let's redo that all over from the top once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Doom, 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 ka. Doom, 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 ka. Doom, doom, and switch. Ka, ka. Step, 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 step. Cover your eye. Open, open, and across. the video that you can practice a few more times with different speed of the chorus. Don't forget to check it out on my channel. So now let's move on to dance break. Let's get started. Okay, so dance break, we're going to start on 1. And our hand is going to start, actually we're going to prep right here. And on 1, we're going to open on 1. Okay, so it's and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this posture, it doesn't get there like on 1, but it has 4 counts as you see. So it means you have to gradually open your arm for 4 counts. Okay, so now we have and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so make sure if you want to make your posture more pretty and beautiful like that, I think the easiest way to do is like look over your hands, yeah, and bring up your chin and look over on the ground. Yes. On 5, you're gonna step your left leg back and 5, 6, 7. On 7 and you're going to go 7 and 8 and. Going to look to the left like you already do. And on 1, you're going to bring your focus back to the front and then both hands go 1. Okay, so you're already here. But now you have to kind of prep yourself into this. And on 1, you're going to go 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. On 5 is 부르짖어라. Okay, so now your right hand have to go boom like this, while your left hand still have to do the fire things. Okay, so on 5, 6, 7, on 8, you're going to go 8. Jump on the right leg again, but this time going down a little bit. So 1, 2, and then on 3, we're going to step our right leg out. Hands go to the left. So 3 and 4 and. And now after we turn to the front, we're gonna step on the left one more time. Left. Okay, and now this time we're going to just go boom. Left, right, and then you're going to go boom together and up. Step out your right leg and then look with your finger. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Learn the chorus and dance break of your I-DLE HWAA. And I hope you guys like my tutorial. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like below. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Till next time.